B12 injections for weight loss, what you need to know. Introduction. Weight loss is a common goal for many, and various methods are promoted to help achieve it. One such method that has garnered attention is B12 injections. Vitamin B12 is essential for numerous bodily functions, including DNA synthesis, red blood cell formation, and neurological function. But can it really aid in weight loss? In this article, we explore the role of B12 injections in weight loss, their benefits, potential risks, and what the science says. Understanding vitamin B12. Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, is a water-soluble vitamin found in animal products such as meat, fish, eggs, and dairy. It plays a crucial role in metabolism, energy production, and the formation of red blood cells. A deficiency in B12 can lead to fatigue, weakness, constipation, loss of appetite, and neurological issues. How B12 injections are believed to aid weight loss. 1. Boosting energy levels. Proponents of B12 injections for weight loss argue that increased energy levels from the vitamin can enhance physical activity, thus aiding in weight loss. More energy can potentially lead to more exercise and a higher overall calorie burn. 2. A metabolism enhancement. B12 is essential for metabolizing fats and proteins. Some suggest that B12 injections can help speed up metabolism, thereby facilitating weight loss. However, this effect is more pronounced in individuals who are deficient in B12. 3. Mood improvement. B12 is linked to the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin, which can improve mood. A better mood can translate to better adherence to a diet and exercise program, indirectly supporting weight loss efforts. The science behind B12 injections and weight loss. While B12 is undeniably important for overall health, the evidence supporting its direct role in weight loss is limited. Most studies suggest that B12 injections do not directly cause weight loss but may help in other ways if there is a deficiency. 1. Addressing deficiency. In individuals with a B12 deficiency, injections can significantly improve energy levels and overall health, potentially aiding weight loss indirectly. 2. Placebo effect. Some individuals may experience weight loss due to the placebo effect, believing the injections are aiding their efforts, leading them to adopt healthier behaviors. 3. Supplementation in deficiency. For those with normal B12 levels, additional B12 is unlikely to have a significant impact on weight loss. The body will excrete excess B12, and it won't boost metabolism or energy beyond normal levels. Benefits of B12 injections. 1. Correcting deficiency. B12 injections are highly effective at correcting deficiencies, which can improve energy, mood, and overall health. 2. Rapid absorption. Injections allow for rapid absorption into the bloodstream, making them an effective treatment for those with absorption issues, such as individuals with gastrointestinal disorders. Potential risks and side effects. 1. Injection site reactions. Common side effects include pain, redness, or swelling at the injection site. 2. Allergic reactions. Though rare, some people may experience allergic reactions to B12 injections. 3. Imbalance in nutrients. Over-reliance on B12 injections without addressing overall nutritional balance can lead to imbalances in other vitamins and minerals. Who should consider B12 injections? 1. Those with deficiency. Individuals with confirmed B12 deficiency, including those with pernicious anemia or gastrointestinal absorption issues, can benefit significantly. 2. Vegans and vegetarians. Since B12 is predominantly found in animal products, vegans and vegetarians may be at higher risk of deficiency and could consider supplementation. 3. Older adults. The ability to absorb B12 decreases with age, making older adults more susceptible to deficiency. Conclusion. While B12 injections offer significant health benefits, especially for those with a deficiency, their role in weight loss is not well supported by scientific evidence. They can indirectly aid weight loss by improving energy levels and overall health, but they are not a magic bullet. For sustainable weight loss, it's important to focus on a balanced diet, regular exercise, and healthy lifestyle habits. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Ni655 family. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the content, and make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more awesome videos.